Every day, millions of people around the world drink whey protein. Athletes use it to build muscle, while many others drink it simply to get more protein in their diet. But have you ever wondered where it actually comes from? Whey protein comes from cow's milk. When milk is used to make cheese, it naturally separates into two parts. One part becomes the solid cheese curds, while the other is a watery liquid called whey. This liquid is where whey protein comes from. For thousands of years, whey was simply treated as a leftover from cheese production. Since factories didn't know what to do with it, most of it was thrown away. The problem was that this liquid contained a lot of natural nutrients. If it was dumped into rivers or the ground, it could harm the environment by polluting water and soil. Everything changed when scientists discovered that whey was actually packed with high-quality protein and other valuable nutrients. Instead of throwing it away, manufacturers found ways to turn it into one of the world's most popular nutritional supplements. The journey begins on dairy farms, where cows are specially raised to produce milk. Farmers know that healthy, well-fed cows produce better quality milk, so they take great care of the animals every day. A single dairy cow can produce around 30 liters of milk each day. Milk naturally contains about 3% protein. Around 20% of that protein is whey protein. Most dairy farms use automatic milking machines. These machines gently collect milk from the cows twice a day while keeping everything clean and hygienic. As soon as the milk is collected, it is pumped into large refrigerated storage tanks. Once enough milk has been collected, refrigerated tanker trucks transport it to a nearby cheese factory. When the trucks arrive, the milk is unloaded into large receiving tanks. Before production begins, every batch is carefully tested to make sure it meets strict food safety and quality standards. After passing these inspections, the milk is stored in large, chilled tanks until it is ready to be processed. The first major step is pasteurization. The milk is then pumped through stainless steel pipes into large industrial heaters, where it is gently heated to about 60 degrees Celsius for around 30 minutes. This heating process kills harmful bacteria without damaging the milk. Once the heating is complete, the milk is cooled very quickly to around 4 degrees Celsius. Cooling the milk immediately helps lock in its freshness, prevents overcooking, and keeps its natural taste and quality. After pasteurization, the milk is pumped to a specialized processing unit where its different components are separated. It enters a large processing tank and undergoes a mechanical separation process. Next, a natural coagulant is added to the pasteurized milk, causing it to separate into solid curds and liquid whey. The curds are then used to produce fresh cheese, while the liquid whey, rich in high-quality proteins and other valuable nutrients, is collected separately and sent to another production line, where it will eventually be turned into whey protein. The curds and whey are usually separated using a physical filtration process. During this step, the solid curds are removed, leaving behind the liquid whey, which is naturally rich in whey protein. This is one of the most important stages because it produces the protein-rich liquid that will later be processed into whey protein powder. Although the liquid whey contains a high amount of protein, it also has small amounts of fat, lactose, and minerals. To make the protein purer, many factories carry out an additional purification step. Advanced filtration technologies such as microfiltration and cross-flow filtration are commonly used to remove these unwanted components while keeping the valuable proteins intact. These gentle, low-temperature filtration methods help concentrate the whey proteins without damaging them. They separate the protein from most of the fat, lactose, and other impurities, while preserving its nutritional value. By the end of this process, the factory is left with a highly concentrated liquid whey that contains very little fat or carbohydrates and is ready for the next stage of production. After filtration, the liquid whey moves to the evaporation stage. It is pumped into large industrial evaporators, where most of the water is carefully removed. This process makes the whey much more concentrated while preparing it for the next step in production. The evaporation process is carried out at carefully controlled, relatively low temperatures to protect the delicate whey proteins from damage. As the whey is heated, only the water turns into vapor and is removed, while the proteins and other valuable solids remain behind. By the end of this stage, the whey has become a thick, protein-rich liquid with a much higher concentration of protein than before. Once most of the water has been removed, the concentrated whey moves to the drying stage. Here, the liquid is sprayed into a stream of hot air, causing the remaining moisture to evaporate almost instantly. As the tiny droplets dry, they transform into a fine powder. Cool air is then introduced to lower the temperature of the powder, preventing heat damage and preserving the protein's quality. The powder is then passed through a fine sieve to remove any larger particles and ensure a smooth, uniform texture. After sieving, it enters a large industrial mixer, where it is blended thoroughly to create a consistent product and evenly distribute any remaining moisture. The finished whey protein powder is then packed into large industrial sacks and shipped to supplement manufacturers around the world. One such destination is one of the world's largest protein manufacturing facilities, where operations continue 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Every day, hundreds of tons of whey protein are processed here to produce thousands of finished products. Inside the massive warehouse, truckloads of whey protein powder arrive daily. The sacks are unloaded and transported to the weighing room, where every raw ingredient is carefully measured according to precise production formulas. Before mixing begins, each ingredient passes through a fine 2mm sieve to break up any small clumps and ensure a smooth, consistent blend. The whey protein is then transferred to the mixing area, where carefully measured flavorings, sweeteners, and other ingredients are added to create different varieties, such as chocolate, vanilla, or cookies and cream. The ingredients are blended inside large rotating mixers for several minutes until every batch becomes completely uniform. Once mixing is complete, the powder is ready for packaging. Workers place empty containers onto a conveyor belt, where an automated filling machine accurately dispenses the required amount of protein powder into each container. After filling, each container passes through an automatic weighing station, where its weight is verified. Any container that falls outside the acceptable range is automatically removed from the production line. The approved containers continue to the next station, where a worker places a measuring scoop inside each one before securely fastening the lid. A final visual inspection is then carried out to ensure the product appears clean, properly filled, and free from any visible contamination. Each container is labeled with essential information, including the product name, nutritional facts, serving instructions, expiration date, and batch number for complete traceability. Once labeled, a plastic sealing ring is inserted into the lid, preparing the containers for the final sealing stage. The containers then pass through a heat sealing machine, which securely bonds the plastic seal to create an airtight package. Finally, the finished containers are packed into cardboard boxes, ready to be shipped to stores and customers around the world. If you want to know how sugar is made, watch the video on your screen, and please like the video if you enjoyed it and share it with someone who might be interested. Also, subscribe to this channel by activating the notifications to continue learning. Thanks for watching.